After my growth of hair, now you are watching me. I have grown young by again 25 years.
Hello everyone, welcome to New Roots Vashi Clinic. Today we have our patient Mr. Kishore Chandwani with us. We operated him in September. कोल्हापुर से आए थे वो. Single day में इनका पूरा procedure किया था because of his age, and so we kept the procedure as short as possible. Rest I'll keep it up to him only. कि आपका experience कैसे रहा है on the day of the surgery और अभी तक?
I have gone through so many clinics in Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai, at Linking Road and other doctors. I will not name the doctors, but yes, when I came to New Roots, it was referred by one of my friend, and I came to New Roots and Dr. Sandeep, he has given me a wonderful idea and a wonderful treatment in which I found this is the better option for me for this transplant. Earlier, since last 2.5 years, 3 years, I was just keep searching a clinic for my satisfaction, but I was not satisfied anywhere even after going over there. Here, Dr. Sandeep and the other doctor, Dr. Sanjana, they have taken utmost care, and morning at 10 o'clock, they told me to come. I came at 10 o'clock. By 7 o'clock, everything was done. And I was a little bit surprised how can a person get hair transplant in one single day, because other clinics they had told me that it will take around 2 sittings, 3 sittings, with pricing also. It was very high over there, and here it were peanuts for me, which it was really a good this thing. Costing matters also a lot. But after my growth of hair, now you are watching me. I have grown young by again 25 years. If you stand behind me, my son, I have got my son of 34 years old, and I am now running 60. 6 months back I was 59 and a half. But now I am so confident because of the hairstyle, and I can style my hair anyway. And I'm very happy.
Try and keep the procedure as short as possible, and because we've been doing it for a longer time, we can finish in a short time without damaging the grafts. तो grafts का भी out of body time कम है. बाकी इनके लिए अभी he has come today for his second PRP, and density will improve more by 15 to 20%. इनके जैसे और 2 PRPs बाकी हैं.
Thanks to New Roots Clinic. God bless you all.